Hi, welcome to Zynnex. So, over the past 6 months, we've built a complete operating system for banking, fintech, insurance, and lending operations. From the moment a lead enters your system to the final legal recovery petitioning. So, we've automated the entire workflow in one unified platform. So, how did we do this? So, we have three breakthrough technologies that we have developed in house. First one is our fine-tuned multilingual voice AI trained on real Indian banking conversations, not a generic chatbot. So the second one would be proprietary document fraud detection that catches tampering, that detects fake documentations and transactions and salary slips and other documentations. And third one is our automated legal compliance that generates DRT petitions in 5 minutes instead of 60 days. So what this means for your business? So this means 10 times more leads contacted per day because AI agents never sleep. And second one is 3 times more borrowers reached in collections through omni-channel orchestration, and 5 times faster legal filings from 60 days to 5 minutes, which directly impacts on your operational costs.
Reduction in operational costs.
No armies of calling agents needed. So just to give you a glimpse of what we have built, so you can go to our trial live demo and click on this button and actually experience on how our voice AI agent will talk to your customers, with respect to debt collection or loan servicing. And the next thing, we would be moving to our dashboard. So basically, we have built this entire platform as a bootstrap team. The product is fully functional and ready for real world testing. Let me show you what we have created. So this is a complete platform. Lead qualification, document underwriting with fraud detection, smart collections, automated legal petitioning, and analytics all integrated. Everything you're about to see is mostly working. For this demo, we will be using mock data. So I'd like to start with the dashboard itself. So here you'll be able to see the active trend. So basically how many calls placed on which day and how many were converted and everything. And here you'll be able to see the alerts and risks. And here you'll be able to see the businesses that you've created, basically the campaigns. So moving to the next section, which is the campaigns section. So here you'll be able to create multiple campaigns for different business needs. So let's say you're a bank and you have, campaigns related to credit card sales, mortgages and home loans, vehicle loans and everything, right? So you'll be able to create different campaigns for every one of your requirements. Totally based on your use case. So here we have created a campaign. So here this AI powered digital banking agent is going to contact your end customers 24/7 for lead servicing. So here you'll be able to upload your documents as well related to that campaign. So here in the customers tab, again, you'll be able to upload, let's say it is connected to your CRM through which your leads will flow in, or you can simply upload an Excel sheet with all your leads. So let's say you import this one, and based on this, you'll be able to import all your customers and it will reflect in your dashboard. So from here, you'll be able to initiate bulk calls. So basically, let's say you have 1,000 customers lined up for today, 1,000 leads that needs to be qualified, and you can initiate a bulk call, which will call every one of these leads, in minutes than days. And the next one would be our testing agent, where you'll be able to test your agent. Basically, for this campaign, you would have created an agent, right? And so you'll be able to test it and see how it is working and everything. And then you can go ahead and, start making the calls. So in the call log section, you'll be able to see the transcripts. You'll be able to see, the sentiment of that customer. How positive was he, or was he neutral, or did he not answer the phone? And you'll be able to see the recordings as well. And also you'll be able to see the call transcripts to collect their email IDs or phone numbers. And the next one would be our lead central. So here, your lead pipeline, you'll be able to see a section called lead pipeline where all your leads will flow in. And based on that, we would have approved by default, we would have approved a few customers based on the loan amount they have requested. And, our financial system that we have built in-house will do the validation and everything for each and every one of these customers on what is the loan amount that they have requested. Are we going to approve them, or are we going to reject them, on what basis, and everything. Probably we will be rejecting them based on document mismatches or low civil scores and everything. And here you'll be able to see the number of new leads that we've got today and how many were contacted, verified, approved, and everything. And based on that, you'll be able to see the auto qualified percentage and how many got rejected and the conversion rate as well. And here in the other tab where you see voice bot campaign setup. So here again, you'll be able to upload your data related to your customers, like their contact related details for initiating calls. And it will also be connected with your CRM. And here again, you'll have the option to upload your RAG related documents as well. Let's say home loan rates and everything. Let's say you've initiated calls. Probably you're bringing in leads for lead qualification. Probably contacting people who are interested in loans. So we will be able to make calls, and the AI agent will be able to precisely tell them the loan rates and everything with respect to that bank's eligibility criteria and everything. And here you will be able to set up your AI agent as well on what languages it can talk and the script if you have any. And it will be connected to your CRM tools and the calculator for calculating the interest rates based on the civil score and everything, and calendars for scheduling meetings. And after that, you'll be able to test the agent yourself to see how it performs. And the next part would be underwriting. So underwriting is where is one of our our forte, where we have built an in-house financial model that will be able to predict if the customer is worthy of the loan amount he's requested by analyzing his bank statements, his salary slips, his civil score, and more documentations and KYC and everything. And let's say he has submitted a few documents. Let's say he submitted his bank statement. We will be able to analyze his statement as well. So let's say this is the bank statement he has uploaded. Let's say he tried to tamper with the statement before uploading it to our system. So let's say he changed a few numbers and everything just so that his loan amount is probably a bigger number, and let's say he wants to get it approved, so he has made some tampering and everything, right? So let's say we simply click on analyze document, and we will be able to see which are all the numbers that don't match, and you'll see the number of tamperings that was made and the risk score and everything. And based on that, our AI agent will give you a recommendation of if you'll have to approve this application or reject. And here you'll be able to see the debt to income ratio and FOIR and LTV ratio and everything. And here you'll be able to see what numbers were tampered and everything in the statement. And next, we move to the collection section, where you will be able to see the amount that was collected and active agents, active YCI agents that are talking, and how many calls were made today, and how many people have promised, what is the percentage of people that have promised to make the payment, and how much is it costing the banks or the lenders per contact. And you'll also be able to see the live calls that are happening, and you'll be able to see the interaction history on different channels, on what are all the channels the customer was contacted, and if you've sent him a payment link, and how the conversation went and everything. And then we move to another USP of ours, which is our legal recovery system. Let's say, for example, we have 156 active cases and success rate. What is our success rate and everything, and how many DRTs are pending to be filed, and average resolution time and everything. So let's say Vijay Mallya is one of the defaulters, and let's say he has to pay us 4.5 crores. He's at default. So we have drafted the DRT petition, and we have dispatched it using India Post. He's got the physical copy, and we are waiting for the arbitration, and we have scheduled the arbitration for November 24th. So based on the terms that we come with this defaulter, we will decide if we have to go for an e-filing and go to the court and settle it there. So you'll be able to see all these things in real time. It'll happen in real time. All the filings will happen in under 5 minutes. We have pre-trained templates based on which, if let's say a defaulter has not paid for more than 60 days, automatically a petition will be filed on behalf of him, and the petition will be sent to him. The physical copy will be sent to him. And based on that, we'll be able to make the settlements properly. And we will also be focusing on another important factor in recovery, which is field force. So let's say we have 10 field agents who are working and going and visiting our defaulters' homes and office and everything, right? So based on that, we will be able to track our agents in real time to see how many critical visits are there, and active agents who are all visiting which places and everything, just to keep a track on the compliance part with respect to RBI guidelines and everything. And in the analytics center, you'll be able to see the report section, right? So here you'll be able to get your compliance audit reports with respect to RBI guidelines and everything, and call analytics and underwriting efficiency, and a lot of other reports for better optimization and business performance. So here's what you've just seen: a fraud detection engine that captures document tampering with a high accuracy rate, voice AI agents that qualify leads and conduct collections in 10 plus Indian languages, omni-channel orchestration that coordinates voice, WhatsApp, SMS, and emails, and automated legal filings that generate DRT petitions in 5 minutes, not 60 days. And this is an overview of our platform. Thank you.